It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise! Hey! So cool! Let's open them, Cooking. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cooking. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our village music. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web out. He worked, and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high underwater. It splashes a lot, very much all around.
The Cuquin Fun Playtime World app is entertaining and perfect for any place, even during trips or in offline areas. Download it on the App Store.
Oh! Present! Oh! Ah! Pirates! It's a pirate ship! Whoa! Yellow chest! Oh! Huh? Yellow rabbit! Red chest! Oh! Wow! Huh? Red rabbit! Green chest! Green rabbit! Red rabbit, green rabbit,